Step into the future with our desktop vacuum cleaner, a space-inspired companion designed to make your surroundings as pristine as the stars. Crafted from durable ABS material, it's designed to withstand the rigors of space exploration or daily cleaning. Galactic cleanliness at your fingertips. Whether in your desktop universe or exploring the cosmic corners of your car, this mini vacuum is your ticket to an otherworldly clean. Personalize your cleaning adventure. The screen-printed imprint method lets you add your mark effortlessly. Make your space as clean as the cosmos, the Nightlight Desktop Vacuum Cleaner, where cleanliness meets the wonders of the universe. Yorkn. You name it, we source it.